VooV Meeting Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering VooV Meeting for your video conferencing needs, this review will tell you everything you need to know before diving in. Developed by Tencent, the platform is tailored for businesses, educators, and global teams who demand seamless communication and reliable performance. Its standout features include high-definition video quality, robust security protocols, and support for up to 300 participants in a single meeting. Perfect for everything from small team huddles to large-scale webinars. With cross-platform functionality, you can connect effortlessly from desktops, mobile devices, or browsers without sacrificing quality or usability. One of the key highlights is its AI-powered noise cancellation, which ensures crystal clear audio even in less than ideal environments. Another major draw is its file sharing capabilities. Users can easily upload and share documents in real time, enhancing collaboration. VooV Meeting also offers smart scheduling tools that sync with popular calendar apps, ensuring you never miss a meeting. For international teams, the real-time language translation feature is a game changer, breaking down communication barriers with support for multiple languages during live sessions. Now let's talk about user experience. Setting up VooV Meeting is quick and intuitive, with a clean, user-friendly interface. However, there's a learning curve for advanced features like webinar hosting or integrating third-party tools, which might be a concern for beginners. On the plus side, Tencent provides a solid library of tutorials and customer support to help users get the most out of the platform. In terms of pricing, VooV Meeting offers a competitive free tier that covers most basic needs, but premium plans unlock features like extended meeting durations and advanced analytics. If you're a business scaling operations or an educator running online classes, the premium plans deliver solid value. A potential downside? While the platform excels in functionality, it's not as widely recognized as Zoom or Microsoft Teams, which might make collaboration with external stakeholders slightly less convenient. Additionally, some users report occasional connectivity hiccups when accessing from regions with limited internet infrastructure. To wrap it up, VooV Meeting is a feature-rich platform designed for businesses, educators, and international teams seeking reliability and efficiency. It stands out with advanced tools like AI noise cancellation and real-time translation. While it may not be perfect for every use case, especially for those needing universal familiarity, it delivers strong performance where it counts. Try the free tier first to see if it aligns with your needs before committing to a premium plan.